Check something on my bags. This is a princess prince. Anyway. I would recommend if you want to change your money, you come here. It's way cheaper than Japan. This is home for the next couple of days. Hi, I look homeless, so I'm gonna tell me outside the bed. My sound horrible because I'm sick. You get some hangers. Lock the door. I don't know when am I going to them sandals there. Tea, pot, cups. The man earlier did show me the glass them crystal clean. I don't know about that. I don't know. Every day them change your water or something. My ears won't pop. Whoa, I constantly suffer from this for me. I fly, you know. Jesus. I know you have that. Is this lookout room? No, what is that? The bathroom is really cute. This is the bathroom. Toilet. Tissue. Wow. I don't know where rain shower I go. I have my shoes in now. I look how much I can fix it myself. Oh my god. Why am I leaving my bag at the airport? Vietnam. Vietnam. Just want to go.
nagkagatan di pagkakamot ka ako ba?
Tell me why I leave my bag at the airport. Like Vietnam? What's a way to start? I come back at the airport for the bag, but I come inside. I ask the staff right there so about it, and they said them can't help me, but me can go blast off phone over here. So tomorrow morning. Wow, I'm tired. I'm stressed out. The Batman will drop me here and drive gone. The Batman will drop me here gone. But a good thing I only pay him half of the money. Half of the money. I need to ask for the whole money, you know. I'm pay him half of the money. I'm gonna come here. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm sick. My ears lock up from the flight. Oh my god. These are the stuff I'm having. I have like sandwich. Not beef sandwich. It just looks dry. They look dry, but all the time, no lie. And you can get it in a bulgogi beef. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It'll be fresh. Bulgogi beef. We're about to go for breakfast, then for a street food tour, and go to the train street. We're not 100, but we are go. We have to go because we pay fee, so we have to go. Let's check for the day. Now we want to jumper, you know call it? Right, that's the kind of get up. The one on the TV. One jumper, bag. I put on my Adidas shoes. So, jumper, Adidas shoes. Yeah, Coach necklace, some regular earring from AliExpress, bracelet. Open on my moisturize my hand. My hand been dry for a black person. Can't wait till it's dry hand. Alright, we're gonna go for breakfast real quick, then head toward the tour then. Let's get it. Jack, I knew it was coming. Yeah, everyone had to get in the mask. full. I'm gonna try eating with something full. We're sitting on those tiny ass seats. It's kind of cool that they have like a sweet one. It's coming over. So there's condensed milk at the bottom, and this is the egg on top.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, it's overflowing. It's not bad. It's not sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not that one. Not the dry noodle.
Yeah. Okay, so we make the garden is like we always have this for summer because summer is pretty hot, right? So
Yeah, so you
the
don't want the
traditional
hot.
one when you eat with the soup,
Yeah.
it makes you hotter.
Hotter,
And
yeah.
it's wet, so we always have this for summer. And inside here we have fried onion, peanut, chicken, carrot, and sour mango.
Okay.
And a bit, you can see like we have coriander here too. And this one we call it spring roll. Instead of like using rice paper, we use like pho inside of this. So we have sour mango, carrot, salad, and beef inside of this. Yeah. So you will. Okay. So you will eat this with the sauce here. Or you put it deep in here, and this one you just need to put soy sauce inside,
Okay.
and then you mix it up. Just like that. Yeah. If you want it spicy, you can put a little bit chili on that. It's a little because our chili is really spicy. Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, this one is fish sauce.
Fish
Yeah. Yeah, fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Yeah, fish sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, and they put like water and the sugar inside here. And they mix it in.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can leave the pork out.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so can I show you?
Sure.
I mean, the other one.
So this one is pork.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do this.
Okay.
Like, how to do this spring roll. Have you ever tried it?
No.
Making
Not
your
yet.
own piece spring roll. First of all, you want to put like salad inside this. You put that.
Yeah.
You put a little pho
Yeah.
inside of this. Maybe put like more like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you put cucumber,
Uh-huh.
sour mango.
6 người.
This one is sour mango, and then meat like pork.
Uh-huh.
Like this. And this one is like crispy rice paper, but they are fry this one. Yeah, they roll this one out and then fry it to look like this. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so you wanna do like lettuce out all of your body on the body like this. So it's easier for you to roll it. You're gonna hold it here and start to roll it. Okay. Keep roll and keep rolling, keep roll. You have a perfect spring roll here. Okay, this
For
one
you,
is-
for you, for
Oh
you.
yeah, this one is for you.
For you.
Really?
Yes, yes. Yes. Enjoy.
Okay. Do you want to try it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oops, I can't cut like that. Outfit check. I only have one bag. The other bag in the suitcase. The bag in the suitcase. The bag in the duffel bag. So this is the bag I have. Loose fitting pants. This top. Pants from pants from Uniqlo. Fits great. I love them. I really feel like I'm gonna bring this girl to Jamaica, but I'm not gonna dash away. Top from GU. These are about Japanese, Asian brands. Bag, thrift shop, necklace, Coach, earrings, just some basic earring from AliExpress. So me wear that. Stop clap your mouth. No, stop clap your mouth. Come on. Wow, the light one turn on. My face probably look oily. But, and I have this. I'm gonna put on up and down on my arm now, sure. I have my jacket, cause who would I think say Vietnam get chilly? Me. I was under the impression that Vietnam is warm. That's why I come here. Today never bad because I didn't want short type romper. Long sleeve. But in the night, it actually chilly. So we have a jacket. This is how it looks. 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 Yeah. See me here. Yeah. What may I wear scent wise? Zara Gardenia. It smells really good. I kid you not. Zara Bloom 02. Smell really good. Today Daniel come in and hug me up. I mean, no sense smell me. Yeah. Big up yourself, Daniel, anyway there. Yeah. I like it. Whoa! My nose not just stuff up, I can't smell it again. Okay. Anyways. Show me. Yeah. Oh my look. Suck in my belly. I'm bloated right now. But my belly just big. Any one of them, but suck, tuck. Yeah. Yeah. Alright then. So I think that way to the night market. Stores are not closed up. But they got away to the night market. I don't know if it's a stroll. I got find a pharmacy though. Wow, outside actually chilly. You know something hungry? I realize I'm actually not hungry. Conversation, am I having now? Wow, so all me I go around this now. I'm not sure garbage just so. But me can go around. Sorry, come this off. Whoa, garbage truck. Oh, it's the night market. But cool, actually chilly. Oh, I don't want to buy the people pockets still. Yeah, I'm not hungry. Yeah, my belly, I tell me I'm not hungry. Wow. Oh, people are posing Christmas tree. Wow. Oh. I'm a bit confused. Let me see what fruits. Okay, oh my. We went from a pharmacy first. So we can Google pharmacy. We'll come after me. Where's that now? Thank
for
you.
you. Yeah, the next one. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you. It's a competition of the crepe knives. It's a competition of the crepe knives. Perfume. Blue, most Gucci blue. Alright, so we're going to try to get yogurt cubes. They have them here. They say it's low sugar, low fat, low calories. We're going to try the S size. Alright, so when the S size mix, can you have coconut, passion fruit,
no passion fruit.
no passion fruit? Oh.
Sorry.
What? Okay. So what's this?
This is a pineapple.
Pineapple.
This is a mango.
Mango.
This is a strawberry. This is a lychee. This is a taro. This is a orange. This is a grape and coconut.
Okay, so coconut. You said this is passion fruit.
Oh no, this is mango.
Okay, coconut, mango. Which one is passion fruit? Passion fruit?
No.
No.
Passion fruit.
Oh yeah, you said no passion fruit. Sorry. All right, coconut, mango,
Strawberry.
strawberry. You have lychee. Which one? Lychee.
Lychee.
Lychee. Or what's this?
This is orange.
Orange. And what's this?
This is pineapple.
Pineapple. So should we go with lychee or pineapple? And this one, what is taro?
Taro is potato.
Oh, potato. Oh, okay. All right. So can I have the coconut, mango,
Yeah.
strawberry,
Yeah.
lychee? All right, and it says 35K for it. Oh, they even have avocado. What? All right, so let's try. So I'm gonna eat. So this is how it looks. So let's try it. So this is how it looks. Bye. So this is how it looks. Got pennies. But those are blue. I'm gonna try a bit of 50. Got pajamas. You got a whole lot of clothes. Whole lot of stuff. Oh, these are cute. That's cute. Let me see. That's cute. Alright. You have the Dior, YSL. Oh, looking. The backpack. No, the backpack feel like plastic. But Dior. That one for 130. I get 130. And this one? 150. 150. I can lift it? Can I lift it? Okay. Lift it. Got a battery. To know that you love me. long in here, so you know.
Ba bàn tay.
Up, okay.
Ba bàn tay.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
You can put it on the cruise. We have the camera of all the cruise. But remember, bring your phone, camera, wallet, boyfriend, girlfriend, bring with you. Don't put it on the cruise. Yeah? Luggage, you can put it on the cruise. No problem. Okay? Bamboo boat, not wet. Not wet. Kayaking, a little bit wet, a grip and shoe. If you enjoy kayaking, I think you should take off your shoe, put it on the cruise. Okay, we take it later. Okay, 3 more minutes, ready for water sport.
Isn't it beautiful? Let me see if we can tap our focus. It's me here. Isn't it beautiful? So some people collided up there. And then they never stop. This is what's going on. This is so cool. I'm excited. I'm excited, Father. You know, we have 2 man photo. This is cute. drink, souvenir bags, and then the bay. I'm sure it looks dark with me in it right now, but it's actually pretty beautiful. But not help me up, so it's don't want to touch me. Cut open. If the sun's so cold, then the water must cold. Them people are not used to sun and water, you know. Because no sir. Don't come up on a cruise, guys. I can sit up on a cruise. I don't want to do this. I'm gonna dip my foot in the sun, the water, and see. Put my finger in the water and see. That's so cute. Girls out here, couples out here. Do them thing. Doing their thing. Why see like a boat pull out gone? Yeah, a boat like it to pull out. I'm gonna touch the water. Yeah, nobody not going in the water. The water cold. People gonna say the water though. Be sure the water cold. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch the water. Oh, it's actually warm. No, not a bumper cat. The Traveler. Yup, that's me. You know that DJ, no?
Are you ready for the sunset party?
No sunset, no. But the kids don't understand. You know what I'm saying? And they're still a dance. No, so what's back up dance? So what's up? You have to love them sometimes. You have to love them sometimes. Watch out. That's move. Watch out. Yeah. Yeah. Let me almost play that time. Let me almost play that time. Yeah. Watch that. Watch foot. Watch foot. Watch foot.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's not like Japan. Oh no. We should I get the dance?
Okay, right now, as I told you, the tour guide, your tour guide disappear. DJ coming. Yes. On the cruise, serving red wine, tea, fruit, cracker for everybody. Yes. Right now, help me. Sorry. Last sentence. Zui going to say special thank to everybody. Yeah, enjoy the trip in Halong Bay. Thanks for spending your holiday with me. Yes. I believe we have not long time, but not short time up here. A lot of memory together. Right now, yes, happy, come here, stand up, take your drink, and I will teach you how to cheering by Vietnamese way. And we do it together, okay? Yeah. Okay, tea in here. And I drink tea, no alcohol, and my wife don't like it. Everybody have a drink on hand? Yeah, tea, you take up here. Yes, tea on here. Okay, everybody have a drink on hand? Yes, right now, in every restaurant in Vietnam, you see a group of men hold big cup of beer on hand. Yeah, they look so manly. And they cheering like we count the number in Vietnam. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and we use all our energy. We say zo. Zo is mean uống. Zo is mean drink. Sorry, yeah, drink. Zo is mean drink. Yeah. One in Vietnam we speak một. Yeah. 2. In Vietnam, we speak hi.
Hi.
3. In Vietnam, we speak ba.
Ba. Mut hai ba.
So, that is how we celebrate as in Vietnam. Okay, we practice first. Practice first. Okay, sunset party. Let's count with me. Một. Hai. Ba. So. Okay, everybody. You learning very good. Right now, thank you for coming here. Thank you for making Halong Bay more beautiful. Okay, sunset party is on. Let's count with me. Một. Hai. Ba. Go.
Try people to say, may I come back? Future DJ Eddie is out Thank you. My complaints said I get no tips, but I know that's exceptional. So this morning for breakfast I had eggs. I had some noodles, I put sausage on it, a potato salad right there. I'm gonna do that bit. Bread and cheese, butter, the right here. Tea, with sugar, and I think this is lemonade, passion fruit, pineapple, dragon fruit. I said this kind of give dumpling in a long way from Jamaica, but it's kind of sweet. Softer, but it kind of give Jamaican dumpling, fried dumpling. But it kind of tastes like bread. So, I had like this squirted. But I get ready to go up on the road. My hotel, the front desk lady, I tried something, she said me to try it. I don't know why it tastes like one vegetable. She said one root thing. I wonder if yam. I probably yam, you know? I probably want type of yam. I don't know. I put in a good chance. I asked her to put in a good chance like to me actually. Anyways, now we're gonna get one massage. I'm going to the spa today. So yeah, I need to find my way to the spa. Cause I'm going to the spa. So I'm gonna try to talk louder so they can actually hear what I'm saying. Cause outside quite noisy. I'm sitting outside. Them said I'm gonna change my room. I had requested a room with a balcony for later. And I said I put me in the VIP room. It's the only VIP room. It's the only VIP room here. So tonight I'm going to be a VIP. Alright then. I'm gonna ask her to do something because she said I can eat. But I know I eat. At first, I really didn't know what to do for me. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you. But no, I think I get what it is. I got a robe. where people live. People apartment, you can see pots and stuff. They said there's a pizza. I'm gonna say the 4-piece pizza. Construction. But this is like one apartment complex, it look like. I mean, slightly run down, but you can tell some people have them home over there, so. Them all have them chalice. This is like coconut tart, but I want to try that. It's a bakery. I'm gonna pass it to see. I'm gonna try a bakery. But I found out they were gonna try it now. The lady said coconut. Ooh, it's coconut on top and some inside. It is like apple tart. I'm here to get coffee, and it's actually pretty good. But I think I go with juice instead, like fresh juice. I'm gonna make fresh juice in it. Run at the back. May I watch him? You feel nervous, is it? I'm gonna make it around there. And in there, I make the juice. I can tell some kind of nervous. But sometimes I want it sweet. Now watching them out, this is good. Thank you. Thank you. This tastes really, really good. It's fresh juice. Passion fruit from Marino Coffee. Alright. So me, it's gonna burn her back. I wait for my grab driver to get the gas. So my grab driver then. He's second in a line. Oh no, him first. I'm gonna load him up. So I'm gonna load him up. I see my stomach run on his side. Run on her back, I'll wait till he get loaded up. I bring up my mask now because the gas smells strong. Oh, him look like him load up. I almost load up. Alright, you know, I take some of the gas, pay money. Alright, I'm load up. They're gone. They were constantly on their phones, and that even if I'm taking a picture of me or if they were videoing me or whatever, so that was quite annoying. And they weren't really aware of what to do, like they were more like trainees. 2 and then 3. When I just got there, I booked it through a third party via tour, and I don't know, I paid my money in advance, and they were acting like they don't know what's going on, so that was pretty annoying.
In the afternoon, yeah. You know it's all
I'm gonna try this. Why sure it's already? Cake shop or some Hong Kong. It's a Hong Kong cake shop. We're gonna try it. Let me show them out. We're gonna Google Translate now, so that come up. So we secure the goods from the bakery. We took the red, the orange, and the coconut one over there. So we're going to this restaurant tonight, and it's supposed to be like a Thai restaurant. There are lots of people here. but we're gonna see what can go on if them have what we want them to have.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. Don't give me joking now in for me. I got it. My bitch scheming, do it. I Joe bodies. Don't
Realize here, everybody. Tell if you have pose with the Christmas tree. Like, they don't believe in a Christmas, but them really decorate a lot. You're going to see I want to put Christmas tree and stuff on my videos them, because them really come out with trees. Them really over the top with it, but it's beautiful though. But it's a lot. I'm gonna see all of this in Japan. Whoa! On my way home, huh? So the hotel said that they gave me a free upgrade, and it's the best room in the entire hotel. They've been hyping it up all day. Let's see.
smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a roll when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose without you. How can I lose in this moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I lose in this moment? You just too boy. Nobody like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and on me one time? Are you living on me to the bad one night? Are you trying to get it on the bad one time? Just trying to do everything bad one time. Are you frontin' on me and on me one time? Are you living on me to the bad one time? Are you trying to leave it on the bad one time? Let me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose in this moment? You just too boy. Nobody like you do. I can't lose. I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Wow, a couple of days in Hanoi went by really quickly. Hanoi is beautiful. It's a mixture. Like the housing structure here is so different. Anyways, I'm gonna just jump in and start talk. So it's my last day, last couple of hours in Hanoi. I'm leaving to go to Hoi An, Vietnam, because we're in Vietnam. I don't know why I just propose to that. But we're leaving here to go to Hoi An. Crazy enough, I've been here for 4 days, I think. It's been gloomy every day. On the last day, the sun is peeking out. The sun is actually peeking out. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of South Korea. Every day, rain, cloudy, gloomy. The last day, sun, I come out. I mean, like, wow. So I'm gonna have strength for. Cool. They gave me a free upgrade. I'm gonna love that. The room big and pretty. Wish I was staying longer. Maybe another day so I could enjoy the room a little bit more. But the room is beautiful.
The only thing is about the water and the settling in the shower, the slowness of the drain. But they said they're working on it, so hopefully in the future it's better for other people. Beautiful hotel, central location, perfect location. Cost is very effective. Very budget friendly. Very budget friendly for the size. Great space, big comfortable bed. And as I said, location is fantastic if you want to see around Hanoi. Yeah, and the cost is great. The breakfast is pretty good. For the egg part, like if you want egg pancake, they do it done to order, so that is fantastic. Instead of you eat cold egg, cold pancake. So it's my last couple hours here in Hanoi. The food was a bit good. What I can say, they eat a lot of vegetables here. Like they eat a lot of veggies. Like every meal stacked with veggies. I had dinner last night at a really nice restaurant, and I had pineapple fried rice. It had in shrimp, squid, and you know, they mix the you know, they do the fried rice and then they put it in the pineapple. They pour it into a pineapple. They peel out the pineapple, of course, and then they leave the carving and put the rice in it. Yummy, very yummy, very yummy. And that was good. That was pretty good. That was my best meal, I would say, I had here. I did a street food tour and I got sick. Yeah. So I'm very skeptic. I was very skeptic after that because I got sick and I was like, yo, I'm not really sure about the food here. But I've been careful. I went around, I went to the night market and stuff like that. That was cool. But I didn't buy anything else. I plan to buy in Hanoi, and so you have to see the videos. Check out the videos. A lot of time I'm not really talking in it because I'm out in the public and stuff like that. And I'm a bit new, a bit scared, a bit shy. But watch the video and see. And tell me what you like. How can I improve? Bye!
She's putting on the tassel. Okay.
You take a video.
That's the beer festival.